The wait is finally over. And this is the moment every creator, adventurer, and tech lover has been waiting for because the all-new DJI Osmo Action 6 is here. And it's not just another upgrade, it's a game changer, a total reinvention of what an action camera can be. From the very first glance, you can tell DJI isn't just chasing GoPro anymore. They're rewriting the rulebook, setting new standards, and making every competitor question what's next. This tiny, beautifully engineered device is built for one thing: to capture your world in a way that feels alive, cinematic, and deeply personal. The design alone feels like a masterpiece. Sleek, compact, tough as steel, and perfectly shaped for every kind of adventure you can imagine. It's lighter than you expect, but stronger than it looks, made to survive every drop, crash, dive, and storm you throw its way. But don't be fooled by its size, because inside this miniature body beats the heart of a giant. A brand new 1.3-inch sensor that completely changes how an action camera sees light. The difference hits you instantly. Richer colors, cleaner shadows, flawless low-light detail, and dynamic range that feels more like a professional cinema camera than a pocket-sized action device. It doesn't just record your story, it immerses you in it. Whether you're mountain biking through the dirt, diving into the ocean, hiking through neon-lit cities, or just documenting life, every shot feels so real, so vibrant, you can almost touch it. And that's because the DJI Osmo Action 6 delivers breathtaking 8K footage at 30 frames per second, letting you capture every detail with the kind of sharpness and clarity that makes your old videos feel obsolete. And when you drop it down to 4K, the possibilities explode. You can shoot at a silky 120 frames per second for slow-motion sequences so smooth and detailed, they'll make even the smallest moments feel epic. Imagine slowing down a single jump, a crashing wave, or a burst of laughter, and watching every droplet, every movement, every smile in cinematic perfection. That's the kind of storytelling power this camera puts in your hands. But it's not just about visuals, it's about motion, stability, and smoothness that looks like pure magic. DJI's new Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization system is on another level. No gimbal, no tricks, just flawless butter-smooth footage, even when you're sprinting, jumping, or flying down rough trails. The algorithm inside anticipates your movement in real time, analyzing every frame to eliminate shake before it even happens, so your footage stays perfectly locked, fluid, and immersive. Whether you're filming a travel vlog or capturing a free fall, your video looks like it was shot by a professional film crew. And speaking of professionals, DJI has given creators a new weapon of control. The menus are snappier, touchscreens are brighter, and switching between shooting modes feels instant and intuitive. You can finally say goodbye to lag, confusion, and wasted moments. Every setting feels within reach. Every swipe makes sense, and that alone makes the experience miles better than anything that came before. The Osmo Action 6 feels like it was designed by people who actually create, who know what it's like to chase light, moments, and memories. And the battery is a miracle. DJI's new long-life cell gives you nearly 2 hours of continuous 4K recording, and the new fast-charging tech means you can go from 0 to 80% in under 20 minutes. No more waiting. No more dead camera anxiety. Just pure creative flow. Whether you're traveling through mountains, filming your skate sessions, or exploring cities, this camera will keep up with your pace. But the innovations don't stop there. DJI's new Voice Control 2.0 feature turns your camera into a smart assistant that listens and reacts instantly. You can shout commands like start recording, switch to photo, or shoot slow motion, and it just does it. No buttons, no stops, no missed moments. Imagine snowboarding down a slope or surfing a wave and starting your recording with a simple word. That's freedom. That's how technology should feel. Seamless, intuitive, alive. The microphones on this device have been completely re-engineered too. They capture 360-degree audio with advanced noise reduction that automatically adjusts to your environment, filtering wind, background noise, and focusing on your voice. The result? Sound that's crisp, natural, and cinematic, whether you're whispering or yelling into the chaos of a crowd. And for creators who crave pro-level sound, the Osmo Action 6 connects wirelessly with DJI's mic system, giving you studio-quality clarity in the wildest places. It's like having a mini sound engineer inside your pocket. But let's talk about the smartest part, how this camera actually thinks. DJI's AI-powered image engine is like having a brain behind every pixel. It knows when you're moving, when you're still, when the light changes, and when to adapt. The horizon leveling is unbelievable. It keeps your footage perfectly straight even if you tilt the camera up to 45 degrees. The AI scene detection automatically optimizes exposure and color based on what you're shooting, whether that's a sunset, a forest, or your dog running across the beach. The new auto frame assist even tracks your subject and keeps them perfectly centered without you lifting a finger. It's so good, it feels like cheating. This is where the Osmo Action 6 stops being a camera and starts being a creative partner. It doesn't just follow you, it understands you. And because DJI knows adventure doesn't wait for the weather, they've built this thing like a tank. Waterproof up to 18 meters straight out of the box. No extra case, no compromise. Dive into the ocean, swim with turtles, or capture coral reefs in vibrant detail, the Osmo Action 6 handles it all effortlessly. It's freeze-proof, dust-proof, drop-resistant, and weather-sealed like a pro-grade camera that costs 10 times more. This thing doesn't care where you take it, it just performs. And for creators who love flexibility, DJI's upgraded magnetic mount system means you can snap it onto any surface, any angle, in seconds. One moment it's on your helmet, the next it's on your chest, then your tripod, your car, your drone, you name it. Every connection feels secure, solid, and fast. That's not just convenience, that's creative power. Now let's talk about the visuals again, because DJI didn't just stop at great resolution, they gave us creative control like never before. The Osmo Action 6 supports D-Log-M, giving professionals a flat color profile for advanced color grading, and it also includes a vibrant mode that delivers punchy, cinematic tones right out of the box. You can shoot your footage however you like, clean, natural, or stylized, and the result always looks incredible. And when it comes to editing, DJI's Mimo app has leveled up big time. It uses AI to automatically find your best shots, trim, transition, sync with music, and give you ready-to-share clips that look like you spent hours editing, except you didn't. It's fast, fun, and surprisingly smart. That means more time capturing memories, less time staring at a timeline. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't just simplify your workflow, it elevates it. But beyond the specs, the numbers, the features, there's something deeper here. This camera represents a philosophy, a belief that anyone can tell powerful stories if they have the right tool. It's not about owning the most expensive gear. It's about having something that empowers you to create, to explore, to express. DJI designed this camera for dreamers, for explorers, for creators who don't want to wait for perfect conditions. They make them. Every detail, every pixel, every second of this device feels intentional. The way it captures light, sound, and motion. It's not just tech. It's art. Picture this. You're hiking up a mountain at dawn. Your breath visible in the cold air, the sky painted in pink and gold, and the Osmo Action 6 captures every shade, every shadow, every heartbeat of that moment. Or maybe you're skating through city streets at night, lights reflecting off wet pavement, your world alive in neon, and this tiny camera captures it all, smooth, sharp, and full of life. That's the power of this device. It doesn't just film, it immortalizes. It takes seconds and turns them into stories that last forever. And here's the truth. GoPro had its moment. But this is DJI's era. The Osmo Action 6 isn't chasing the market anymore. It's leading it. It's a declaration that action cameras can be smarter, smoother, sharper, and simply more inspiring. And the best part? It delivers all this at a price that makes sense. Packed with premium tech, AI intelligence, pro-level stabilization, 8K power, and world-class design, all while staying